Samsung microwave model ME19R7041FW error codes. Samsung 1.9 CU. Fort. Over-the-range microwave. This Samsung over-the-range microwave makes preparing multiple dishes effortless with the large 1.9 cubic feet capacity, accommodating even your biggest dishes. Sensor Cook technology automatically adjusts your cooking time for optimal results. Error codes. Code C10, C11, C12. Problem. Error with gas easy pH sensor. Code C20, C21, C22. Problem. Error with temp sensor. Code C70, C71, C72. Problem. Error with steam sensor. Code CA0, CA1, CA2. Problem. Functional error. Code CD0, CD1, CD2. Problem. Door or key error. Code CF0, CF1, CF2. Problem. Communication error. Code E01. Problem. Open error. Code E02. Problem. Cooking time setting over error microwave. Code E03. Problem. Cooking time setting over error grill. Code E04. Problem. Cooking time setting over error convection. Code E05. Problem. Cooking time setting over error combination. Code E06. Problem. Swing heater error. Code E11. Problem. Open gas sensor error. Code E12. Problem. Short gas sensor error. Code E13. Problem. T1 max time gas sensor error. Code E14. Problem. Dry up no load gas sensor error. Code E21. Problem. Open temp sensor error. Code E22. Problem. Short temp sensor error. Code E23. Problem. T1 max time error. Code E24. Problem. Over temperature error. Code E25. Problem. Micro cook abnormal temperature error. Code E26. Problem. Temperature not over AD error. Code E31. Problem. Open gas sensor error. Code E32. Problem. Short gas sensor error. Code E33. Problem. Underweight error. Code E34. Problem. Overweight error. Code E35. Problem. Invalid weight error. Code E36. Problem. Door open error. Code E41. Problem. Open easy pH sensor error. Code E42. Problem. Short easy pH sensor error. Code E43. Problem. T1 max time easy pH sensor error. Code E44. Problem. Dry up easy pH sensor error. Code E45. Problem. Cooling error. Code E46. Problem. Primary open error. Code E47. Problem. Door open error. Code E51. Problem. Sense failure. Code E52. Problem. EEPROM short error. Code E53. Problem. Read write error. Code E54. Problem. Zero error. Code E61. Problem. Open humidity sensor error. Code E62. Problem. Short humidity sensor error. Code. E63. Problem. T1 max time humidity sensor error. Code. E71. Problem. Steam sensor open error. Code. E72. Problem. Steam sensor short error. Code. E81. Problem. Communication open error. Code. E82. Problem. Communication short error. Code. E83. Problem. Communication error. Code. EX1. Problem. Additional open error. Code. EX2. Problem. Additional short error. Code. SE. Problem. Key short error. Code. TE. Problem. Touch communication error.